The radiant beauty of Mexico, renowned for its picturesque beaches and unique culture, once again faces harsh challenges from nature. October 2023 marks a dark memory as two tropical storms, Max and Lydia, consecutively devastated the country, leading to catastrophic consequences. The onset of disaster was heralded by Storm Max, a natural calamity that brought terrifying wind speeds and unprecedented rainfall. Streets flooded, homes collapsed, and the lives of citizens were completely disrupted.
La moto.
Barely recovering from the first blow, the people of Mexico had to confront a second storm, Lydia, which sowed further terror. Are these natural disasters a consequence of climate change, or do they hint at an invisible hand beyond human comprehension? The answer will be unveiled as you watch to the end of the video. Please like, share, and express your opinions on this issue. Next, let's delve into each part of the story to understand more about what happened and learn from these sorrowful events. In early October 23, Mexico was suddenly confronted with a natural disaster when the tropical storm Max appeared and quickly intensified within just 15 hours. With terrifying wind speeds reaching up to 105 kilometers per hour, Max made landfall in the southwestern region of Mexico, causing severe damage to the communities there. Originating from southern Central America, the storm moved at a dizzying pace, carrying with it high risk of flooding and landslides due to the large volumes of predicted rainfall. The rainfall from this natural disaster ranged from 10 to 30 centimeters, especially concentrated in the states of Guerrero, Michoacan, and the coastal region of western Oaxaca, causing local authorities to worry about the possibility of extremely serious damage. The natural disaster resulted in 2 fatalities and 2 others severely injured in the state of Guerrero, and caused widespread flooding in many coastal areas of southwestern Mexico, disrupting the lives of thousands of people. The destructive force of Max swept away homes, vehicles, and possessions, posing significant challenges for people trying to restore their daily lives. The town of Tican suffered particularly severe damage, with 79 houses flooded, 4 completely collapsed and 1 person reported missing. The infrastructure system was severely damaged, disrupting communication systems and hindering rescue and emergency support efforts for the affected population. The rains caused by Storm Max led to high water levels, flooding streets and roads, reminiscent of Hurricane Urian 26 years ago, the strongest storm to ever hit the country. Just 48 hours after the tropical storm Max devastated Mexico, the inhabitants faced another calamity named Lydia. Originating from a tropical low in the southwest of Mexico, Lydia moved northwest before turning northeast on October 9th. By the early morning of October 10th, 2023, Lydia escalated into a cyclone and rapidly intensified, reaching Category 4 by the end of the day with sustained winds of up to 225 kilometers per hour. With strong winds and heavy rainfall, Lydia worsened the flooding and landslides, particularly in areas already devastated by Max, making them even more vulnerable. Many homes were completely destroyed, infrastructure was severely damaged, and the lives of citizens were once again disrupted by loss and hardship. The heavy rain and strong winds damaged buildings, forced airports and schools to temporarily close, and 23 temporary shelters were established to support the community. These unfortunate events led to the deaths of 2 people due to the falling trees and drowning, causing material damages estimated at $77.6 million to the state. Do you think this is the fault of human actions leading to nature's wrath? Or is this merely a natural law with which humans must learn to adapt and coexist? Let your thoughts be known in the comments, and let's discuss together to find solutions for preventing and mitigating similar natural disasters in the future. The Bible, a sacred text filled with invaluable knowledge and faith, records numerous stories of natural disasters and divine punishment. However, alongside the warnings, the Bible consistently guides humanity towards compassion, forgiveness, and hope. In the face of losses and suffering caused by natural disasters, it's crucial for us to take time to deeply reflect on the significance of these events. Could these be opportunities for people to introspect and make necessary changes? The aftermath of the 2 storms is not just material damage, but also a profound impact on the souls of the people who have lost family members, friends, and are faced with the prospect of having nowhere to turn. Meteorologists and environmental experts have continuously warned about the increasing frequency and strength of tropical storms due to the effects of global warming. These tragedies can be seen as reminders that we need to adopt more effective adaptation and preventive measures in the future to minimize the risks and damages caused by natural disasters. No matter how advanced humanity becomes, we must live humbly and respect the laws of nature. And only when we learn to live in harmony with nature can we hope to build a sustainable future for subsequent generations. As the Bible teaches, therefore stay awake, for you do not know on what day your Lord is coming. This encourages us to always be prepared, not just for our souls, but also for this life and the environment around us. Please leave your discussion comments below the video comments section. Thank you very much for your keen interest, follow-up, and enthusiastic support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. For now, we say goodbye and look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Wishing everyone a warm day with your family.